Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO 10e Chromebook, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And right here in this left section we have to tap on Advanced and tap on Languages and Inputs. Then let's tap on Languages at the top. Right here we've got the device language, so simply tap on Change, and here you can enter the name of the language or you can simply swipe in order to find it. So let me pick, for example, this one, and let's tap on Confirm and Restart. I don't really want to restart my device right now, so basically I will not tap on it. However, no worries, after finding the option, just tap on Confirm and Restart. The device will restart itself, and after that the new language will appear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.